Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm in my brother's maize farm. He's currently not around. He went somewhere, so I decided to come to the farm myself all alone to check his farmland. And this is his maize farm. This maize is going up to 5 months or possibly 4 now, I think. So everything is getting dried up. So, and the land they planted the maize is a very massive land. So as you can see, you still have so much of the maize here, so much of the maize. So the land should be, if it is not up to 4 acres, it should be up to 3 acres as I'm saying it. So we have the maize in a massive way, and maize is selling fast in Nigeria. Remember I told you I talk about maize in some of my videos. If you're watching my videos very well, I talk about maize, that it is very, very important for us to plant maize in Nigeria so that we ourselves can see food to eat, and our animal as well will see something to eat. I actually come to check some of this maize so I can take some of them to the seat. I take corn very well. I eat it when it's cooked. Also when they are roasted, I take them too. But I mostly like it when cooked. So the maize are matured and they are good. Some of it are big, as you can see. Some of it are big. And there is nothing like adding fertilizer to the maize that are here. What they just do is plow the soil. After plowing the soil, they plant the maize. After planting, what next? They weed. They control the weeds. After controlling the weeds, they spray. So remember I told you that there is systemic chemicals. So there are some chemicals you are going to buy for maize. If you just spray it on the maize with the grasses, it's only the grasses that will die. The maize will not die. That means it's a systemic chemical. That chemical is made for maize. It won't touch anything, it won't do anything to the maize, but the grasses that are competing with your maize will die. Technology have made everything so easy that you have no excuse saying this is the reason why I'm not getting this right in farming. This is the reason why I'm not getting the other thing right in farming. So everything is easy. Technology have made everything easy, so you have no excuse. So, and that is what they do here in this side. You can see it's a very massive farm. See, very massive one. So I'm still walking inside, and as you can see, inside it is well tied up, and the corns are doing very well. We're going to check. Although there are some that are still little, but we are going to check this and see how big it is. It's on it slowly. Wow, you can see it. You can see it here. So it's very, very big. Cut it out. Look at it. A yellow corn. Very big. No fertilizer, but the corns are doing very well. So weeding and spraying will give you this kind of results. Look at it here. Let me find my way back up. You can still see the camp still go on and on and on and on. I'm still working at the maize farm. You see, these are the places that they don't weed much. You can see that the maize are not that big like the one I showed you. So all these ones are very small. Look at it, where because they don't weed much here, that is the reason why this place is not having good maize. So the grass is already compete with the maize that are inside, so it doesn't make it to have bigger maize like this. So I'm still going to where the places, I'm going to where they still weed, like this place they spray it. So we still have maize inside this place too. So I'm still working in the farm. It's a very big farm, dude. Wow. So the soil is plowed by tractor. After the tractor plow the soil, then they plant the maize. They do the weeding, and that's all. No much stress. You don't need to kill yourself doing other things. It's very simple. And if you are planting maize, make sure you plant it lightly. Look at the seed of the maize. If you dig the hole you are going to plant it too much, if the seed go down much, it will be very, very hard for the maize to germinate. So you look at how small the seed is. So you dig the hole the way the seed is. So you just make it light between 2-3 days. If there is a rain and if the soil is good, your maize should be germinating. So that's just it. Thank you for watching.